What is up, my folks? This is your boy Zachy Boy with my Metallica on his necklace and coming to you live with the Metallica ring. Just so you guys know, post notifications, like this video, subscribe. I'm looking for more funny videos. Comment down below and see what kind of bar this is. If you think that this is a Hershey bar, you are totally correct. Right now, I'm gonna eat it. I better buy a hook. This is your boy, Zachy Boy. Peace out. I'm just joking. I ain't really gonna say peace out because what's up, my YouTubers? I might not got that many subscribers, but I have you know, we are going up in Greenwood today. Me and my dad is with the trailer, and we'll be doing as you can tell, my room is clean as heck. Comment down below. Comment down below, see what kind of candy bar that is. Comment down below and see what kind of candy bar that is. And as you can see, it's freaking pouring down rain outside. Hold on, let me go outside. Oh, I got my dad right here. Welcome back, YouTubers. What is up? What is up, YouTubers? It's your boy Zach Davis, and as you can see, it's freaking raining out there. And no matter what, folks, what is up? My name is Zachy Boy. Well, according to my picture, you can see it is pouring down rain out here right now. As you can see, it's pouring down rain out here, guys. Okay, my phone's getting wet, and as you can see, it's pouring down rain out here. The clouds are like freaking gray and all that kind of crap. As you can see, I am outside my neighborhood, which is that you can tell I'm out by my neighborhood, and as you can tell, this is me at my house, but I'm gonna say this is me at my neighborhood, outside in the pouring down rain, and post notifications, turn notifications on, make sure you subscribe, like it. See you in the next video. I meant, like, what is up, my YouTubers? As you can see, my next door neighbor's house right next to me. Well, the neighbors are right there. Neighbors are right there. I mean, after all, you can see him. It's my friend Sean. Go see his video. It's double airsoft guns. Post notification of him like it, subscribe to it, and as you can see, my friend is Sean, whatever the heck his last name is. Just go make sure you comment to his video, subscribe to his video, and post notifications up, and like his video, and I'll get back to you later on tonight. Yay! And how long has this been going? I'm just joking. Okay, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Woo! It's a record, man. But after you guys know, just post notifications up and all kind of crap. Looking for more subscribers. I need more subscribers. My friend has like over 20,000 subscribers. Actually, he has 1,100 subscribers. So if you check out his YouTube channel and check out it, and make sure you subscribe to it and like it, comment, dislike it. Don't dislike it, like it, subscribe, comment down below. All kind of crap. Just who cares? And I'll see you back next time later on. Bye.